All right, aren't you guys tired of looking at these Supra locks yet? This is the Supra, let's see, Advantage Express II. Several of you spotted these on eBay, bird dogged it for me. It was a lot of three, so I just went ahead and grabbed all three of them. Actually pretty cheap. It's like 35 bucks. Anyway, on these guys, it's a little bit different. The key compartment, like all the Supra real estate locks, are on the bottom here. It feels like it's spring-loaded. When you look around here, there's no openings of any kind on this lock. No key bypass, nothing. It's all right here. And you see two prongs here. I think it probably, there's probably a keypad or something that you slide in there and you punch in your number, a lot like a, you know, like a digital phone dial, I would imagine. And it somehow, I'm going to try applying some varying voltage, see what happens, just to see. Maybe if I put 9 volts on there, the darn thing will open up. And if not, I'm going to carry this over to the workbench where I can get some room to work with our favorite tool, at least against Supra locks. All right, I have to say, I was a little surprised about how smoothly this went. I mean, all along, we knew that the weakness on the Supra design was up here in the spring-loaded locking pawl on this massive lock. But what I did not expect, and I did it kind of on a whim, was to whack it on the side. And it appears that the keys are also on a spring-loaded locking pawl. So a couple of good wraps and all the key containers popped out. So you don't even have to remove it from the door. You can just whack it on the door and get the keys. How crazy is that? Anyway, guys, Supra has a great reputation for being electronically secure. As I mentioned, I tried everything I could to try to bypass this. I don't have the keypad. I even tried applying different voltages to these two prongs. Got nothing from it. But when you got one of these, you don't need to do that. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal.